Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming webinar on healing and helping children and the vulnerable. This is for anybody who's got small children themselves or who are looking after old people or adolescents, but also for those who are involved in healing and counselling, deal with children or helping those who have children. On this course, I'm first of all going to be giving some very simple magical protection techniques that are quick and easy to learn that'll help protect children while they're vulnerable from astral invasions, which can cause mood swings, nightmares, sickness, and often cause many problems of children that you're not aware of the causes. So this protection is going to be very useful. I'm also going to give attunement to a healing orb that'll heal the aura and the heart chakra, which is what's most vulnerable at that time. Then going to look at the difference between the needs of the old people when they're vulnerable and they need looking after, how to prepare their souls to be more comfortable in their journey. And finally, going to look at those who are adolescents, what problems they have particularly when they've been disempowered and oppressed too much. And they can be stubborn and hard to work with, but we can actually teach you ways of actually helping them and empower them without getting into arguments with them. And of course, there's going to be hot seats who are going to guide you, some of you, through your particular problems. If you have any problems with children yourselves or adolescents, or you're looking after people, or even involved in healing and you have customers you need to know how to help, I'll be there to guide you personally through your issues. And of course, on top of this, I'm going to be giving you all the empowerments necessary for healing these situations. So if anybody who needs help with their children, adolescents, or looking after any vulnerable people, I'll see you there.